It's hard to believe that smart functionality is presently the most promising for washers and dryers, not cooking. In this video, you'll learn all the benefits of smart laundry. Then we'll show you the unique features of the most popular brands. Let's get started. The basic advantages of smart laundry are in fact basic, yet convenient. You can turn the machine on or off remotely like many of your existing smart devices. However, you can see the time remaining on your phone through your app and receive text alerts when your load is completed. That doesn't seem such a big deal, especially when you think of the future of cooking and saying steak and having your range perfectly cook a steak. However, how many times have you walked downstairs to your washer and dryer to have 3 minutes and 47 seconds or some minute amount of time left on your washer and dryer? Seeing the time remaining plus a text after completion saves a ton of time. You can also integrate voice attendants from Google, Alexa, and others. That's the common thread to all the brands. Let's look at some unique features. Smart features on GE washers unlock 3 specialty cycles: quick rinse, hand wash, and activewear. On the best GE washers, you can delay start the washer and have the washer pre-program the right setting on the dryer. You can also monitor GE's 32 load dispenser to see if you need to refill and extend the drying time. LG has a lot of AI type features where the washer and dryer determine the right sequence based on sensors, but that's not smart functionality. In addition to all the basics of turning the machine on or off, the LG washers have smart pairing where the washer sets the drying cycle. You also have scheduled maintenance reminders as well right on your app. Maytag has the basic plus smart tips on how to best wash and dry your loads. You can also troubleshoot some issues through your app. You can select 22 cycles from your app, as well as doing the basics of start, stop, and pause. You can also delay and schedule your wash and dry to have it ready when you arrive home. Like GE, you'll have notifications when to refill your auto dispenser. Like Whirlpool, you can delay and schedule the Miele washer and dryer to start at your convenience. You have the ability to see the detergent remaining in their auto dispenser. Miele also has a leak detection system and will notify you if there's an issue, which is pretty convenient if you live in a building. Bosch has an excellent system with their Home Connect app. You can change the programs in the washer and dryer as well as temperature, time, spin speed, and stop. You have the basics with Samsung. You can schedule cycles on your time and more right from your smartphone with the Samsung SmartThings app. That's smart laundry. It's not groundbreaking, but incredibly convenient. You know when your laundry's done without checking. You know when to refill your dispenser. And on many brands, when you need service. Again, laundry doesn't have the promise of cooking, but right now, laundry's the best appliance for smart functionality. Click the link at the end of the video to download our free washer buying guide and to learn more about popular units with in-depth comparisons of all the most popular brands, answers to frequently asked questions, and buying strategies to save you money. Thanks for watching.